Hello, this is Trade Recap for the 18th of... No, this is actually Trade Recap for the 17th of October. Because once again, I'm doing this video one day late. Because I'm a little fucking dog. Alright? I don't... alright, no, I get my shit done on time. It's just I need to do it more often, man. It's just I postpone things till last second when it's just like... The opportunity cost is too great, you know? But, yeah, man. I don't even know. So yeah, let me just quickly break this trade down. So basically, I took one trade today. Uh, it was a loss. Wait 1 second. Alright, I'm back. But yeah, took one trade. It was a loss, and I just got edged, bro. I got edge, bro. You know what an edge is? I got edged, bro. Out of my fucking brain, I got edged. Like, bro, what? Like, this makes zero sense, I can't lie. What we did here, these equal lows made me crash out, bro. I can't lie. Like, even when it was like, alright, let me just... I need to stop marrying my bias, man. I need to stop marrying my bias, bro. Basically, going into the day, for some reason, I mean, it's not really for some reason. It's not really for some reason, but I was bearish. I'm not gonna lie, I was bearish. I did want to see us take this high because we had a 3 drive. You know, it looked kind of clean. 1, 2, 3, 3 drive, bang, 4-hour change in the state. And I thought this Friday would just be a continuation down. You know, it would just be like, we'll continue this market make or sell model. I still think we're in a like overall sell model to these relative equal lows on the higher time frame. To these, if I just take away all the useless shit. To these lows here. And I thought it would just be a nice close off on the Friday. So like this whole week's point was just to rebalance price, have a 3 drive, and then to sell back to the sell side. But I was incorrect. But yeah, so I saw that we tapped into this 4-hour gap, you know, and I was like, all right, from here there's an order block, breaker block for value gap, every confluence for us to go short. I mean, oh shit, yeah. So yeah, I was short biased. So going into the market open, I saw that we had these equal lows that were formed during London session, and I saw this for value gap, and I was like, if this gets ran through, I want to take a short to these lows here, to those relative equal lows here. And when we were inside this gap as well, I did see that we actually had like these relative equal highs on with Asia and previous day, and we had these equal highs on ES, but you know I was aiming for what I thought was the low hanging fruit in this case, which was just wanted these lows here, which were intermediate lows inside this for value gap or nestled liquidity, you know. So yeah, I thought like these lows weren't gonna be that like fucking tough of a fucking draw to take out. I thought they were gonna be taken during market open, so let's skip to market open. What time is this? 8:50. So is this? Alright, this is market open. Alright, so market opened. I'll show you. No, it was a clean trade. It was a clean trade. I liked the trade. Alright, off market open, we put in a Judas swing. Take London high. Uh, we had Asia SMT with Asia high. As you can see, ES took it and Q didn't. SMT with Asia high. And I actually missed this first entry, and I had a shit entry, I can't lie. I entered once already. We were down here, we placed another equal low. I entered on this. Like I literally entered like on this mark when this candle opened, because I thought this order block should hold. This for value gap, that was like the last resort, was this for value gap. We shouldn't really spend that long here. We should sell off fucking quickly, but I got stopped out within literally a second. And I still don't know why we didn't take those lows out. I have no idea why, I'm not gonna lie. We were in this for value gap, but it's just, we were 10 ticks away, bro. Like, if this low was taken and then I saw this move, I wouldn't even short it. But because we put in even more equal lows, that just kind of fucked my mental up. And it was really clean. The internal sweep, SMT, fucking CISD, like big displacement, due to swing off market open, in the higher time frame fair value gap here. Everything I saw, I actually liked it. And the even more of a rage bait thing that happens, we actually put in. I'll show you. We put in another fucking equal low, bro. Like what? Like what? When does the market do this? Like, I remember I saw the price. I remember I was looking at price like here, and I thought, damn, that would be insane short setups right now because of this very strong draw. But apparently, fucking no. Apparently no. And yeah, as you can see, I made basically 500 then lost it. So I'm basically at break even on this new eval. So yeah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I got this eval on Wednesday, took one trade, then one trade then, and then one trade then. But yeah, it is what it is, man. And yeah, today it's 8 p.m. on a Saturday, bro. I have nothing to do. But it's just life of a, well, I mean, it's not the life of every trader. Of course, you can have fun on the weekends, but here I am recording a trade recap when everyone's out and about. But it's just the price you have to pay. If you want to see a movie, you pay the ticket price. If you want to fill up your car, you pay the price of the gas. If you want to be financially free, you pay the price, which is quite high. A very high price. But it depends for some people. For some people, to them, money is worth a lot. So something that costs money, I mean, so no, for some people, money doesn't matter. For some people, they just, like, naturally, even if they're poor, they just spend all their money. No one, like, they're not greedy, they don't save it, they just spend it in the moment. And for them, when something's valued with money, they they value it less, because money in itself doesn't really hold value to them. So if they pay money for something, they're like, in their head it's less valuable. But you don't always pay for everything with money. You pay with action, energy, emotions, anything. So yeah, and the price for financial freedom is, it's actually a mix of everything, to be honest. You have to reinvest you have to first work tirelessly without seeing results. Then when you finally see results, you put it back into the work that you saw no results of for ages. And then it's really like I think 95% of the work, not work of, but of 95% of the, like, if there was the most important factors to becoming financially free, I think number one would be believing in yourself and believing in what you're doing will actually work. Because if you don't, then it won't. You know, if it, and I'm not even saying it as a manifestation thing, but you just, if you don't believe in it, you just won't do the actions. Like, I'm sure some people say that, whatever, that you can materialize whatever you want just by like believing in it. But I think you don't materialize out of nowhere. You believe in it, which causes you to do the actions, which, you know, therefore, it's like a trade. You give your energy, emotions, time, and the output is, you know, what you wanted, which is money and financial freedom. So it's not like it comes out of nowhere. It's not like you just believe in it and it will just land in your lap. No. You can believe it all you want, but without action it won't happen, you know. But yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Have a good weekend and be safe.